Good, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Now we will do the teacher evaluation. The first subject is science homework.
Okay. One, what would happen if there were no sun during the day? It would be dark.
Number just continue, Miss.
Okay. Number two, what time when the sun starts to rise in the morning? It is 6 a.m. in the morning when the sun starts to rise. Number three, what time when the sun starts to set in the evening? It is 6 p.m. in the evening.
Just continue, Miss.
Okay. Math. Bottle A has 1 liter of water. Bottle B has 3 liter of water. Bottle C has 4 liters of water. What is the total capacity of the three bottles? Okay, so we need to find the total of the three bottles here. So, 1 liter plus 3 liters plus 4 liters equals 8 liters. So the total of the three bottles here is 3 liters. Sorry, 8 liters. Okay, next. Which container has the most fruit juice? Container A has the most fruit juice. Matematika. Buah apa yang jumlahnya ada 4? Buah yang jumlahnya ada 4 adalah semangka. Berapakah selisih buah durian dan jeruk pada gambar? Tuliskan caranya. Nah, untuk menjawab soal ini kita harus mencari dulu berapa jumlah buah durian. Jumlah buah durian ada 3 dan jumlah buah jeruk ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jadi 5 dikurang 3 sama dengan 2. Jadi selisih buah durian dan buah jeruk ada 2.
Now you can do computer, Miss.
Oke, Miss. Computer, number 3. Where the type comments will appear? The type comments will appear in the comments recall box. 4. What does PE comment do? PE comment does erases the lines as the turtles moves. 5. When given instructions, what happens with the turtle? When given instructions, the turtle will appear in the drawing area.
What, Miss? When given instruction?
When given instructions, the turtle will appear in the drawing area.
Okay, Miss. It is turtle, Miss. Not turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle. Okay.
Turtle.
It's the turtle, yeah.
Turtle.
Okay. The turtles appear in the drawing area.
Okay, Miss. Now we explained about book, Miss, but there are special activity, right? About math and also Matematika. Please explain about that first, about math special activity.
Okay. About math special activity, the topic is about mass and length. Mass, length, and capacity. So, the teacher will arrange the students into group. In each group, In each groups contain with 5 students. The teacher provide the scale and provide the ruler, and the teacher will ask.
Miss kita, sir. Okay, Miss, just continue.
Okay, so the students will ask to make an analog clock to show the time.
Math, Miss. The topic is length, mass, and capacity, right?
Yeah.
So how, Miss?
Okay, so the material needed is the scale and pencil, and book. So the students will put one book on the scale and put pencil on the scale. So the students will compare one book and 2 books. The pencil needed is much more when they try to find the weight of the 2 books than only 1 book. So the students will find out how many pencil does it take to compared to 1 books only or more than 1 book.
So what is the goals of this activity, Miss?
The goals of this activity, the students know the students can identify which object is lighter and heavier, and the students will find the way to find the weight of an object, and the students will compare whether the other object is heavier than the other objects using scale.
Okay, Miss, how about the conclusion?
The conclusion.
Yes.
The conclusion is
Miss,
Yes,
you
Miss.
first wait for 20 minutes.
Okay, Miss, witness. The conclusion, Miss?
okay. The conclusion is to find the weight of a thing. We use it's called a mass, and we use a scale, and the measurement we use to measure the mass of the things is use grams or kilograms, and for the length, the measurements we use to measure the length of an object is centimeters and meters.
Okay, thank you
Like
for
that.
your explanation, Miss.
Okay, so today we will learn about holidays. As usual, at this time, we just in our time, we just go travel, do something fun.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the sun. Do you know, right, that the sun is a natural light source, right? Without the sun, we cannot see anything around. Without the sun, it would be dark, right? Okay, so do you know how the ways people in ancient times were able to tell the time compared to modern people like us now. Okay, so the people in ancient times, they the way they tell to the way they tell time, they by using the sun, they would pointing the sun's position, uh, where the sun would be, to indicate what time it is. But that way, not as accurate in modern time like us now. Now, to tell the time, we can simply use a clock and we can see from the watch, right? It's more accurate and more simple compared to the ancient people did. And here, what do you think were other ways that ancient people used to track time? Okay, there are several ways that ancient people used to track time, such as they using the sun. They would point the sun's position to indicate what time is it, and also they use the candles to tell the times. So they would burn the candles, and the candles that has melted, uh, it will indicate how many times that has been passed. Yes, the melted candles indicates how many times has been passed, and also they use the sand. They use the sand to tell times. They make the hourglass. They make the hourglass, and they would upside down the hourglass. That's they put the sand inside, and they will see the sand will drop each time, and later the sand will went up. So it's their way to indicate the time. Okay, so and how about this modern time that we live in? How do we tell the time now? For now, it's more simply and more accurate just by using and look at the clock and the watch, such as the digital clock. We can simply look at the time shown in the digital clock. It's more accurate and more simply. Okay, how about this one? Check your learning. How does the position of the sun in the sky change over the day? Okay, so we have learned before about the sun appears to move. The sun appears to change its position during the day, right? Okay, so for the sun rises in the east in the morning, and from the morning to the noon, the sun moves higher in the sky, and in the noon, the sun's position is in the highest position in the sky, and from the noon to the evening, the sun's position moves lower to the sky, and it's called sunsets. Okay, yeah, I think it's all about the sun today.
It's okay to freelance student because my teacher was not
Oh yeah, okay, okay.
next time we can make it as a student center.
Okay, Miss.
Now we're going to mathematics special activity.
Oke ya. Special activity matematika, topiknya tentang diagram. Jadi siswa telah belajar membuat tabel, membuat diagram turus dan diagram gambar. Jadi guru akan membagi siswa ke dalam kelompok dan guru menyediakan kertas dan pensil. Lalu siswa akan bertanya kepada teman sekelasnya mengenai buah favorit teman sekelasnya. Lalu setelah siswa mendapatkan data mengenai buah favorit teman sekelasnya, siswa menggambar tabel. Siswa membuat tabel mengenai data tersebut. Lalu siswa mengubah data yang dari tabel tersebut ke dalam bentuk diagram turus. Jadi, siswa membuat diagram turus mengenai data buah favorit teman sekelas. Lalu, setelah siswa membuat diagram turusnya, siswa diarahkan untuk membuat diagram gambar berdasarkan data yang diperoleh. Bukan sikap gotong royong antar siswa, sebagai pengamalan dari sila Pancasila, dan juga tujuannya untuk melatih siswa berpikir kritis, menyelesaikan masalah, dan
problem in our house. Okay, so in this chapter, we will learn about definition, what do you feel when you feel sick, and what should you do if you sick,
menghitung atau mencari data
and then
dari hasil data yang telah mereka peroleh.
Julia feels
Kesimpulannya, untuk mengetahui suatu data, kita harus bertanya untuk mencari jawaban. Seperti yang dilakukan siswa, mereka ingin mencari tahu data tentang buah favorit teman sekelas. Jadi mereka harus bertanya kepada teman sekelasnya. Lalu data bisa dikumpulkan dengan cara mencatatnya, membuatnya dalam bentuk tabel. Lalu untuk mempresentasikannya bisa dibuat ke dalam bentuk diagram turus. Diagram turus itu adalah diagram yang berupa batang. Setiap satu batang mewakili satu benda. Lalu bisa juga dipresentasikan atau disajikan data tersebut dengan menggunakan diagram gambar. Diagram gambar itu biasanya satu gambar mewakili satu benda.
Special activity. How about this? Computer special activity.
There is no computer special activity, right, Miss, in the LP?
Because only the lesson or one lesson.
One lesson in a week, one day in a week. Satu kali pertemuan aja, satu minggu.
Two lesson, but only one day in a week, but two lesson.
Computer only one lesson, Miss.
I will check in the notes. I think that's always because we don't have vocabularies.
Okay, Miss. Yes, thank you, Miss.